Hello everyone, today we will be discussing piped text. By the end of this video, you will understand what piped text is, how to add it to your survey, and different ways of using piped text. Piped text is a line of code that pulls information from different areas of the survey and displays it to the respondent. The examples we will go over today include piping from a previous question, an IP location, date and time, and a random number generator. While not shown in this video, other sources piped text can pull information from include embedded data, scoring categories, contact lists, loop and merge, and even quotas. Now that we understand what piped text is, let's head over to the survey builder and begin taking a look at how to add it to your survey. Let's go to the question we wish to add piped text to. In this case, I want to change the word "this" with the actual favorite color the respondent chose in the first question. Start by selecting the question, deleting the word you want to replace, clicking the piped text button, selecting survey question, specifying which question, and clicking the selected choices option. Now when someone answers the first question, the code will automatically pipe in the selected choice into the second question. Please note that if you are using the rich content editor to write your questions, you can also insert piped text by selecting this button up here. Now, let's head over to the third question and add a few piped text elements that are commonly used. If we want to pipe in the location of the respondent, we have a few different options to choose from. This includes the city, state, or region, and country. For now, let's just pipe in the state or region. For the date and time piped text, we have the option of choosing the current date the respondent is taking the survey on, or a completely different date. For now, we'll choose the current date and select one of the many date formats included. Lastly, when piping in a random number, we select random value and have a choice of using an integer, decimal, or Boolean option. In this case, I want a randomly generated 4-digit number, so we'll choose the integer option. Let's make sure that all of this piped text works by previewing the survey. As we can see, the second question has the same answer choice I selected in the first question. And this question has the correct state, date, and a randomly generated 4-digit number. And that's it. Thank you for learning about piped text with me today. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or make a post on the Experience community. I hope to see you there.